In this video, we're going to look at ticker symbol JD. Here on the daily chart, you can see we have a green candle in here. We opened at 38.15, closed at 39.58. So that's about $1.40 move in there on the day. Now, where did we open? We mentioned that 38.15 area. Well, we have this 38.20 area here that we have drawn from previous charts. So that is good that we opened below that and ended above it. So what are we looking at now? Well, we have a channel here between these 38.20s and about this $40 range up here. And we can see if we're going to trade in here for a little bit or if we're going to break above that. If we kind of zoom in here, you can see the 9-day EMA is kind of lining up with that $40 range too. And that's going to be a big level for us. You can see in the past when we had gotten above it, we actually stayed above it for quite a while before breaking down and then immediately jumping back up and then staying above it again. So if we can climb our way back into it, I wouldn't be surprised if we stay up here for a little while before either consolidating back down or moving higher. Now, overall, the symmetrical wedge that we are making here, we have to see if we respect these trend lines. We're currently probably going to end up right around that 41.60 mark on the highs in here. But if we break through that nice 42.63 resistance that we hit multiple times in the past here on the daily, is going to be a resistance for us. Support wise, that 38.15 that we mentioned, the 38.20 area that we mentioned before is going to be a support. And then below that, it's going to be back down here, 36.13. And that's going to start to mash up right here with that lower trend line that we have drawn. RSI neutral, about average volume in here. Nothing crazy so far. IV rank in here. We actually do have a lot of IV though for your options, about IV rank of 68 in here. 86 cent expected move by tomorrow, $2.28 expected move by next week. You got earnings coming up here on March 5th, and then your March monthly's pricing in right around a $5 move. So options premium is pretty juicy in here, even though you really only got an 86 cent expected move by tomorrow's trading session. That should still let us know if we're going to respect any of these price lines in here that we have as supports and our resistances. All right, guys, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.